Alright, good morning. Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. Doing work today. Beautiful Lake Talquin. This is actually a repeat customer. The house itself is not really dirty, just a lot of cobwebs. This lake is definitely home to a lot of spiders, so I'm just going to do a lot of web removal. Don't know if you can see that on camera or not. But overall it looks pretty good. I was here about a year ago, so it was a similar situation with spider webs. A lot of vegetation. I know she does a lot of work in and around with her plants, so make sure to get everything a good free rinse. And this side of the house, same thing, just a lot of spider webs. And then over on the front as well. So I'll get it all cleaned up and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is the after. Hit these for them, just a quick little soft wash. Don't know if you can see with the sun. Boy, don't get better than this, does it? All along that edge. Also did the garage up on top of the hill. I gotta go grab my tape off of that one, so do a quick video on that one as well. Hit the propane tank. And then up on top as well. So everything turned out good. Customer's happy, and we'll get ready for the next one. Thanks for watching.